Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit metal cone spike studs. So here I have a small metal cone spike, and on the back you can see there is a small hole. This is for the rivet that goes into the back end of this, which looks like this. I have some faux leather here, relatively thick. We're going to take a bradawl, some people call it a pokey tool. We're going to use this, push it through the material like so. Mind your fingers when doing it, as it will be sharp. Push it through enough until you're satisfied with the size of the hole. Take the backing pin and push that through the back. Should look something like this. Take the spike, push down, just so it's in a little bit before we start hammering this down. Now the trick is to try and keep this as straight as possible when we are hammering. So yep, that's in nice and firm now, and that's what you should be left with.